Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss characteristics of the soil. You know, in last class we have discussed types of soil and types of soil, size of the particles of a soil. Very important in case of characteristics of the soil. Look over here. When we pour the water in the soil, when we pour the water in the soil, this water comes down. When we pour some large amount of the water in a potted plant, गमले में जो होता है, तो water pass. Now, this is known as leaching or percolation. The process of passing of water is known as percolation of water. Some of the water absorbed by the soil and some of the water passes away. The rate of passage away the water is known as percolation rate. Rate of percolation. Percolate. Passing the water, percolation of the water. Got it? So look over here. And rate of percolation of water in a soil. And this कितने टाइम में ये पास हुआ, कितना टाइम लगा पास होने में. It will show the porosity of the soil. Soil is porous. If there are large pores, pass quickly. Small pores, pass slowly. Will pass slowly. It means rate of percolation will be higher in case of the rate of percolation is lower in case of pores are larger. Rate of percolation is higher in case of pores are smaller. Larger pores, percolation rate less. Look over here. Larger the pores, it will take less time. Less time means larger the percolation rate. Got it? Look over here. सैंडी सॉइल, पानी डालो जल्दी से पास हो जाएगा. इट टेक्स टू लेस टाइम. 200 ml सपोज जितना ही पानी है जल्दी से पास हो गया. इट टेक्स लेस टाइम, लेस परकुलेशन, हायर दी परकुलेशन रेट. टेक मोर टाइम, लोअर दी परकुलेशन रेट. सो टू कंपेयर दिस percolation rate, we can perform an activity. Look over here. We will take the Bisleri bottles, plastic bottles, cut it top and bottom. बन गया pipe. Now put into the take the soil samples. 3 अलग अलग places के soil samples ले लेंगे और उसके अंदर डाल देंगे. Now pour about 100 ml of water in each soil sample. Now, and the bottle, lower part of the bottle about cover deep into the soil about 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Now equal होना चाहिए सब. Equal amount of soil, equal deep depth होना चाहिए. Now pour the same amount of the water, 100 ml ले सकते हैं, 200 ml ले सकते हैं. As it water pass, we will measure the time. कितना टाइम लगा पास होने में, हम तीनों के लिए अलग अलग मेजर कर लेंगे. सपोज 100 ml को 10 मिनट लगे पास होने में, तो हम कर देंगे द रेट ऑफ परकुलेशन इज 10 ml पर मिनट. नाउ सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी, मॉइस्चर इन सॉइल. यू नो द सॉइल पार्टिकल्स बाइंड द मॉइस्चर, वाटर को बांध के रखते हैं. Some of the soil having contains higher moisture, some of the soil having less moisture. When you ऑब्जर्व देखा होगा आप लोगों ने भी, रोड पर हम लोग निकल रहे होते हैं ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन, रोड पर, सॉइल पर, तो यू ऑब्जर्व दैट देयर इज शिमरिंग लाइक दिस वन. Why this shimmering over the soil? Due to the over the road, over the soil, due to the vapor. It is the vapor. Vapor ऐसे ऐसे ऊपर उठती जाती और this appearing like this. So how the soil moisture present in the soil, how can we show? Take a boiling tube, fill it with the soil, जो भी soil है हमको मिल जाए, 1/4 with the soil and gently heat it. When we heat it, we observe it, there are some water droplets deposit over here. Why water droplets deposit over here? Because it vaporizes and at it coming in the cool surface, it becomes condensed. We will take 2, 3, 4 samples and observe which sample of the soil having higher moisture, which sample of the soil having less moisture. We can compare the moisture in soil. If we look, more moisture in case of clay soil, comparatively less moisture in the loamy soil, and minimum moisture in the sandy soil. Now look, third property, that is the absorption of water by the soil. We know different kind of soil having different water absorption capacity. When we take the soil from different types of samples and put a small equal amount of the water in each, then we can observe how much amount of the water absorbed by the soil. How can we perform this activity? Look over here. We will take about 60 gram of soil. You can take 2 sample, 3 sample, equal amount, 60 gram. Take this soil in a plastic funnel. एक फिल्टर पर लगा देंगे यहाँ पर, ताकि सॉइल के साथ, पानी के साथ सॉइल नीचे न जाए. सो वी टेक अ फिल्टर पेपर ओवर हियर एंड पुट द सॉइल ओवर हियर. नाउ pour small equal amount of the water, 100 ml. Initial volume of the water 100 ml. We can say this small equal amount of the water now start to put into the soil. We will observe it. Some of the water go down, percolate. याद आया? Rate of percolation. So some of the water percolate from this one. So how much amount of water percolate from this? How much amount of the water percolate? It shows that if we subtract the final volume of the water that is collected over here, this is the final amount of the water, initial amount 100 ml, final amount V, initial amount U. If we subtract them, initial volume of the water we have taken and final volume of the water that we have obtained over here, U minus V, it means 100 ml. Suppose this soil absorb this water about 60 ml. So initial we have taken 100 ml, finally we got 60 ml. So how much amount of the water absorbed over here? 40 ml. So in this way 40 ml water is absorbed by the soil. Absorbed by how much amount of the soil? 60 gram. 60 gram soil दिया था हमने. तो we can observe, we can obtain the percentage of absorption capacity of the soil, percentage of water absorbed by the soil. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Final minus initial minus final upon amount of the soil multiplied by 100. इनिशियल कितना हमें कितनी वाटर एब्जॉर्ब हुआ? 40 ml. कितना हमारे पास में सॉइल है 60%, अमाउंट ऑफ एब्जॉर्ब्ड वाटर बाय द सॉइल is known as water absorption. If we observe this one, then we looked at, we observed it, we obtained that the different soil having different water absorption capacity, water holding capacity. If we look over here, sandy soil, more percolation, it will absorb less water. Clay soil, maximum water it will absorb. Rate of percolation, percolate water काफी कम हो जाएगा. It will take too long time to percolate the water. Got it?